Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, the home for smart, space-saving tech that simplifies your life. Today we're checking out the HAVA Countertop Dishwasher, a sleek, compact cleaning machine that's designed for apartments, RVs, dorms, or anywhere else where traditional dishwashers just won't fit. This portable powerhouse comes equipped with a 5-liter built-in water tank, so there's no need for permanent plumbing or external hookups. That's right, just fill the tank, plug it in, and you're ready to enjoy spotless dishes wherever you are. Despite its compact form factor, the HAVA dishwasher is thoughtfully engineered to hold up to 4 place settings, including plates up to 10.5 inches, utensils, cups, and even baby bottles. Perfect for daily use in tight spaces. You'll find 6 distinct washing programs tailored for a variety of needs: normal, speed, eco, heavy, fruit, and baby care. The baby care mode is especially great for families. It uses high-temp water to sanitize bottles and toys, ensuring peace of mind for new parents. One standout feature is the air drying function. After the wash cycle, the unit circulates warm air to remove moisture and prevent odor buildup, a premium-level touch that ensures your dishes come out clean, dry, and ready to use. Another detail we love? The see-through glass window with interior LED lighting. You can actually watch your dishes getting cleaned, surprisingly satisfying and modern. The LED touch control panel is intuitive, sleek, and blends into the minimalist aesthetic. It's also impressively quiet during operation, making it a great choice for small apartments or shared spaces. And it's incredibly water efficient, using just 5 liters per wash cycle. It helps you save significantly compared to washing by hand. Whether you're downsizing, traveling, or simply sick of scrubbing dishes after every meal, the HAVA Countertop Dishwasher is a reliable, stylish, and practical solution that brings full-size dishwashing power into a compact footprint. If this sounds like the upgrade your kitchen needs, hit the Amazon link below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more smart product reviews right here on Gadgetverse.